Roses. Just saying the word evokes images of beauty and fragrance. For centuries, people have cultivated roses, creating vast plantations dedicated to these stunning blooms. These aren't your average gardens. They're meticulously managed havens where rows upon rows of roses flourish. Imagine fields awash in vibrant colors, the air thick with intoxicating scents. That's the magic of a rose plantation. But it's not all romance and beauty. Behind every exquisite bloom lies a science, an art, and a whole lot of dedication. From selecting the right varieties to nurturing the soil and battling pests, rose plantation workers pour their hearts and souls into producing these floral wonders. It's a labor of love driven by a passion for these captivating flowers. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or simply admire the beauty of a well-placed bouquet, exploring the world of rose plantations offers a fascinating glimpse into the journey from bud to bloom. So let's delve deeper into this fragrant world, shall we? Every rose, no matter how grand, begins its journey as a humble bud. It starts small, tightly furled, holding the promise of beauty within. As days grow longer and the sun warms the earth, the bud swells, slowly unfurling its delicate petals. With each passing day, the rose reveals more of its splendor. The petals unfurl further, their vibrant colors intensifying. The air fills with the intoxicating fragrance that roses are famous for. This peak bloom is a sight to behold, a testament to nature's artistry. But like all good things, the rose's reign is fleeting. The once vibrant petals begin to fade and fall, eventually revealing the rosehip, the fruit of the rose. Inside the rosehip lie the seeds that carry the potential for future generations of roses, ready to begin the cycle anew. The world of roses is incredibly diverse, with thousands of varieties, each boasting unique characteristics. From the classic elegance of hybrid teas to the charming simplicity of floribunda roses, there's a rose for every taste and garden. Hybrid tea roses, known for their long stems and perfectly formed blooms, are a favorite for bouquets. Floribunda roses, on the other hand, offer clusters of smaller flowers, creating a stunning visual impact in gardens. For those seeking a touch of old-world charm, David Austin roses, with their nostalgic fragrance and full petal count, are an excellent choice. Then there are the climbing roses, their vigorous growth habit allowing them to scale walls and trellises, transforming gardens into vertical wonderlands. With so many options available, exploring the world of rose varieties is an adventure in itself. Roses may have a reputation for being demanding, but with the right care, even novice gardeners can enjoy their beauty. First and foremost, roses are sun worshippers. They thrive in locations that receive at least 6 hours of direct sunlight daily. Next comes watering. Roses prefer deep, infrequent watering, ensuring the soil is thoroughly moistened. Mulching around the base of the plant helps retain moisture and suppress weeds. Regular pruning is also essential, promoting good air circulation and encouraging healthy growth. Finally, be on the lookout for pests and diseases. Aphids, spider mites, and black spot are common rose adversaries. Regular inspection and prompt treatment with organic or chemical solutions will keep your roses healthy and thriving. Section 5. The root of the matter: soil, climate, and your roses. Roses, like all plants, have specific needs when it comes to soil and climate. They thrive in well-drained soil that's rich in organic matter. Before planting, it's crucial to amend the soil with compost or well-rotted manure to improve its structure and fertility. Climate also plays a crucial role in rose success. While roses prefer temperate climates with warm days and cool nights, they can be grown in various regions with proper care. In colder climates, providing winter protection, such as mounding soil around the base of the plant, is essential. In hotter regions, providing afternoon shade and ensuring adequate watering will help your roses beat the heat. By understanding the interplay between soil, climate, and rose care, you'll be well on your way to creating a thriving rose garden. Section 6. Thorns and tribulations, common rose challenges and solutions. Even with the best care, roses can sometimes face challenges. Pests, diseases, and environmental stresses can all take a toll on these delicate beauties. One common issue is black spot, a fungal disease that causes black spots on leaves and can lead to defoliation. Another culprit is powdery mildew, a white powdery fungus that thrives in humid conditions. Aphids, small sap-sucking insects, are another common nuisance. The good news is that most rose problems are solvable with prompt action. Regular inspection, proper sanitation practices, and the use of organic or chemical treatments can help keep these problems at bay. Remember, prevention is always better than cure, so maintaining a healthy growing environment for your roses is key. Section 7. The sweet smell of success. Reaping the rewards of rose growing. Few things are as rewarding as watching your rose bushes burst into bloom, their vibrant colors and intoxicating fragrance filling your garden with joy. Whether you're growing roses for their beauty, their fragrance, or simply the satisfaction of nurturing these captivating plants, the rewards are plentiful. Imagine stepping into your garden, greeted by the sweet perfume of roses wafting on the breeze. Picture yourself cutting a few blooms to bring indoors, their beauty brightening up your home. Or envision relaxing in your garden, surrounded by the vibrant colors and delicate fragrance of your roses. These are just a few of the joys that come with growing roses. It's a journey filled with learning, challenges, and ultimately immense satisfaction. Section 8. Beyond the garden gate, roses in history, culture, and art. Roses, however, are much more than just beautiful flowers. They hold a significant place in human history, culture, and art, symbolizing love, beauty, war, and politics throughout the ages. From ancient civilizations to modern times, roses have captivated hearts and minds, inspiring countless works of art, literature, and music. In ancient Rome, roses were associated with Venus, the goddess of love and beauty. During the Roman Empire, roses were extensively cultivated, used in perfumes, cosmetics, and even as confetti during celebrations. In the Victorian era, roses took on a language of their own, with different colors and varieties, conveying specific messages of love, friendship, and devotion. From Shakespeare's sonnets to Monet's impressionistic paintings, roses have been immortalized in art, their beauty and symbolism transcending time and culture. Today, roses continue to hold a special place in our hearts, reminding us of the enduring power of nature's beauty. Section 9. A timeless treasure, the enduring allure of the rose. As we've journeyed through the world of roses, from their humble beginnings as buds to their celebrated place in history and art, one thing remains clear: the allure of the rose is timeless. These captivating flowers continue to enchant us with their beauty, fragrance, and symbolism. Whether you're a seasoned gardener, an admirer of beauty, or simply someone who appreciates the finer things in life, there's no denying the captivating power of the rose. So take a moment to stop and smell the roses, to appreciate their intricate beauty and to marvel at their enduring legacy. For in a world often filled with chaos and uncertainty, the rose, with its delicate petals and intoxicating fragrance, serves as a timeless reminder of the beauty and wonder that surrounds us.